Next we are discussing that prove that image of orthocenter with respect to sides lies on circumcircle. Okay, so we have a triangle ABC. Okay, so from here we are drawing altitude, so this is what AD, and from here also we are drawing altitude, so this is BE. This angle is what 90 degree. Okay, we are not drawing CF. So this is what orthocenter H. Okay, now we are drawing circumcircle of triangle ABC. Next is what, if you take mirror image of H with respect to side BC, so we have to prove that this will come on circumcircle. So this point is what M. So here we have to prove that SD equal to DM. SD equal to DM. If SD equal to DM, then we can say that image of H lies on the circle. Okay, that means M will lie on circle. That means M is what, image of H with respect to side BC. Now what we are doing, we are joining B with M. Now you are taking chord AB. Chord AB. Then you see this angle. Now you have to see this angle, that this angle and this angle will be what, same. So this angle is what, C, then this angle also what, C. Okay, next is what, this angle is what, 90 degree, this angle is what, 90 degree. Now you see triangle BEC. Triangle BEC. Angle E is 90 degree. Then angle EBC. This angle is what, C, this is 90, then this is angle should what, 90 minus C. 90 minus C. Okay, now you see triangle BHD. Triangle BHD. This point is D. Okay, angle BHD will be nothing but what, this is what, 90, this is 90 minus C, so this angle will be C. So this will be C. Okay, and you see in this triangle this is 90 and this is C, so this is what, 90 minus C. Okay, so here we can say that triangle BCD and triangle BMD is congruent. Congruent triangle. So if these two triangles are congruent triangles, so we can say that SD equal to DM. That's your proof. Okay, so if SD equal to DM, that means we can say that image of orthocenter with respect to side BC lies on circumcircle. That means image of H is what, M only.